So for example 1, we're asked to find the vertex and axis of symmetry when given standard form. So just a reminder, standard form is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a is the coefficient of x squared, b is the coefficient of x, and c is a constant. So we have to find the vertex and axis of symmetry for the quadratic x squared plus 14x plus 24. So I always like to start down by writing down my coefficients. Well, there's only 1x squared, so a is equal to 1. There's 14 is the coefficient for x, so b is 14, and c is 24. So to find the vertex, or that axis of symmetry, x is equal to negative b, so negative 14, over 2 times 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. We have negative 14 over 2, which is negative 7. So the axis of symmetry is x equals negative 7. And then to find the overall vertex, we plug negative 7 into the function. So the y-coordinate is negative 7 squared, substituting for x, plus 14 times negative 7, and then plus 24. So I use technology to help me with that. So I just put that in, and feel free to use your phone if you need to. But negative 7 squared plus 14 times negative 7, and then plus 24. And then that gives me y is equal to negative 25. So my vertex is negative 7 for x and negative 25 for y. So now, same kind of question for part B. We have to find the vertex and axis of symmetry. So I identify a, b, and c first. So the coefficient of x squared, or a, is negative 3. The coefficient of x is 15, so b is 15. And my constant term is negative 5. So for my axis of symmetry, x equals negative b, or negative 15. All divided by 2 times negative 3. So 2 times negative 3. So negative 15 stays in the numerator. And then 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. And then if I divide negative 15 divided by negative 6, that gives me 2.5, or 2.5. I'm going to leave that as a decimal. So now to figure out what y is, I'm going to substitute 2.5 in for x into the function. So y is equal to negative 3 times 2.5 squared plus 15 times 2.5 minus 5. And I'm using technology to plug that in. So I just type that on in. And I got 13.75.